Your Honor, I want to assure you we are more powerful than the Chief Justice. If we target our guns on you, the guns of the Chief Justice are inconsequential. We have been from her office, she's run away. You're doing the right thing. Your Honor, may I reiterate what the President of the Law Society in Kenya has submitted? And may I also address members of the public? We, the advocates in Kenya, have declared this boycott. It's a single day boycott for a specific purpose. It is for the greater good. We want accountability and integrity in the delivery of the services you enjoy now. You may find it convenient and comfortable today to insist that your matter proceeds. But what we are asking, you need to look at the greater good. The need for us to ensure that there is accountability and integrity, but fundamentally, access to justice in a manner that is effective and efficient. It is for that reason that we have therefore come to ask this court to heed the call for the boycott. And Your Honor, this will not have come to where it is right now. But for certain inabilities occasioned by the leadership of the judiciary, which are quite unnecessary. I don't know whether it's my colleagues, advocates here who insisted to proceed, or it's the court. I believe it is not the advocates. So, Your Honor, we ask you that you write the final sentence in the file and adjourn. Today is a public holiday which we have declared. No business will go. My friend, the pontiff, is very civil. I come from a military background. We're not going on with this court. We'll have to adjourn.
Could I also, with your kind permission, request just one last person? That is the Vice President of the Law Society of Kenya, Teresia Wavinya Nicholas, to also briefly address the court. Thank you.
Your Honor, indeed, today is a day that the President and the Council had called all advocates in solidarity so that we tackle the main issue that is actually affecting our main bread and butter, judicial accountability. And that's why we saw it fit as a council order to call for a boycott. Your Honor, an hour ago, I was before Honorable Tamara, your sister, and she was also proceeding with a hearing, and I had to make the same request for her to down her tools and for the advocates to show solidarity with the other advocates. And they have agreed. The court is no longer proceeding, and they have been able to take fresh days. So we are asking that this court can also act the same. We also understand that the Chief Justice gave orders that you proceed with the court proceedings. But now we are coming from the Law Society to show solidarity with our colleagues, asking that please down your tools.
It's always within the discretion of the court when parties are not able to proceed. It's already noon, which means that all critical matters were dealt with. So I'd like to conclude just by requesting Your Honor, as well as my colleagues who are my members in the legal profession, to heed that request and to allow this matter to proceed on another date. We will wait to see what happens, but that is our submission, and I thank you for listening to us and for posing the matter. We appreciate that. We hope that you'll heed our call. Thank you.
There's another president here.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Yes. Your Honor, I want to just associate with the comments that have been made in my absence, because I actually really believe in those comments. And Your Honor, you know, sometimes some things are done and they might not be understood in their proper context. And let me say this, Your Honor, that for those judicial officers who actually live by their code and the oath that they have taken, this protest works and this boycott works to support them, because for the few that do not live by that code, then they spoil the rest for everyone. And that's the context. And Your Honor, the work that you wake up every day to do and to serve this country is extremely important. It is so important that we must do this to protect it. And so when there is a boycott of this nature, it's not just for purposes of the advocates and for the parties. It's for the administration of justice, and that is a bigger context. Because when the institution of the judiciary lacks public trust, then those that actually want to do their work and to do it in the manner in which the Constitution prescribes find it extremely difficult, because, Your Honor, you know it, for every decision that you make, there will always be a party that will be happy with that decision and another party that will be dissatisfied with that decision.
From the prosecution have indicated that they have no objection to
They
adjourning this
belong to a
matter.
different boss. I
Uh,
don't think they are under the Chief Justice.
No, there's no problem. They have indicated that they will abide
If
by.
they withdraw the matters, I have no problem. That is up to them, because again, the court cannot proceed without the prosecution.
Your Honor, I think the request is not for withdrawal, is for adjournment, which
If they
is
are done, I have no problem, because they are the ones to prosecute.
very well.
If they don't prosecute, what can the court do? But where an advocate wants to boycott, I have no problem.
Your Honor, with respect to the file that was before you, Your Honor, in light of the circumstances, I would just a minute. I would wish to stand down to W1. Your Honor, we can take another date with respect to that file. Your Honor, you can give us directions with regard to the custodian. We have 2 files for custodian.
Given the position,
Yes.
we have a memo from the petition, very elaborate from the CJ, that the court will sit as normal.
And for this one, Your Honor, we can have another date for this.
But the advocates are boycotting. This is it's on their side. I will not comment on that. That is there.